Hi everyone. In this module, Module 2, we're going to be exploring the so-called nexus between teaching and research. Now, there's been considerable interest in the relationship between teaching and research over the last decade, with various publications documenting the lack of evidence between teaching and a positive correlation with research. Phenomenographic studies undertaken by Brew in 2001, based on conceptions of teaching and research of individual researchers, concluded when research and teaching are both viewed as founded on a traditional empiricist foundation, the relationship is always problematic. A more pluralistic view, however, recognizes that research and teaching can be viewed as being in a symbiotic relationship. A related concern, identified by Trowler and Wareham in 2007, is the tendency to refer to the nexus as a simple construct without taking into account the differences between students doing research, staff doing research, staff practices informed by research, and the curriculum being informed by contemporary research. Griffiths noted a similar distinction in developing his typology of teaching and research links, in which he suggested teaching can be research-led, teaching can be research-oriented, teaching can be research-based, or teaching can be research-informed. Similarly, Mike Healy in 2005 suggested that curricula can also be designed along three additional dimensions. One, the emphasis on research content or research processes. Two, where students are either treated as the audience or the participants. And three, where the teaching is teacher or student focused. Other researchers suggest that teaching and research are more likely to be closely related when teaching and research are regarded as the same aspect or one aspect of the same activity. Such an approach is consistent with Boyer's notion of scholarship, which was the framework for considering academic work that can be applied to learning and teaching within universities that we discussed in our previous module. So in this module, we will interrogate the literature in order to come to a shared understanding of that relationship between teaching and research.